I'm wondering if I have a new way to carry my tint tools for 2021. Let's find out. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Wayne from Fade to Black, man. Hey, you guys know, man, when I get down to my videos, first and foremost, I always like to say thank you guys. I appreciate you guys for subscribing. I appreciate you guys for hanging out, and I appreciate you guys for hanging out on the Wednesday night live streams, man. Man, the live streams have been so much fun for me because I learn a lot from you guys. So I greatly appreciate anyone and everyone who has stopped by. But for this video, I was walking through Wally World the other day, Walmart, and so I thought to myself, I have a buddy named Ron that tints over in Green Bay, and James Garnett, he was telling me he just recently picked up a stacker tool carrier. So I thought to myself, you know what? I was walking through Walmart with my kids the other day, and I said, man, this goes one of those stackers right there. I'm wondering if I can maybe use that stacker and get all my tools in there and combine all three things that I carry into one thing. So let's check out what I got. All right, so as I was walking through Walmart, I saw this big stacker thing, and I was like, man, that looks like one of those things that a lot of people have been using, and it has the top part on it here, it has the middle part on it here, and it has the bottom part. I wonder if I can fit all my tools into it. I have this big tote that I use with a lot of specialty tools and things in there. I got blades in here. I got some, a lot of my big handled squeegees and everything. Keep those all in here. And then for this one, I usually have this big bag, and it does have this carrying arm, and I like to keep my towel in there. I'll throw my heat gun in there. I'll throw all my little bottles and stuff. I can throw those all in there. And sometimes I throw this light in there too. So the tote tray that I've been showing you guys, this, I usually just set it up here, lay that there, and I put all my towels over this. So at the end of the day, I have this, all these bottles, and this. So I got about three things I carry with me along when I'm going out on the road. Now, I'm wondering if I can just consolidate all of this stuff, this stacker system, which it looks like I should be able to do, okay? This, and this is pretty much all I carry. I don't carry anything else but other than these three things. So I'm thinking I should be able to get them to all be packed into this and work out well. Now, as you can see, I still have the cable. I have not even taken this thing apart yet. So I'm gonna take it apart, I'm gonna open it up, and we're gonna see if we can get all this stuff into this one. So you can see I got all three things taken apart. They just have little bitty slide things that keep them all together. You pop these slides and slide them in, and it sticks in the bottom and just kind of locks them together. So this is the middle one. It has a little tote tray on it. Pretty deep area in there. And this is the top one. And it looks like these things, you could take them out. So I might not actually even need to have these in there. And this is a slim one. It's only about a few inches tall. And this is the bottom one. So the bottom one is pretty deep. I'm kind of surprised. And actually, it has the wheels on it, so you can roll this thing around. And it has a handle that comes on the back too. Looks like you put your foot down there and everything like that. So it looks like there will be a lot of space in there. So now I'm gonna see if I can get all this little tool stuff combined into these guys in some type of order. I have no idea how I'm gonna order it, but we'll see what I can do and see what I can try to figure out. miscellaneous little stuff that honestly I don't use that often. I could probably pick through here, but honestly some of this stuff I don't use that often. I mean, I got some Fusion heat tape in here. I got things like this. I got some old scrubbies. I don't use this stuff that often, as you can see. So that stuff is still in there. I probably will take some of it out and figure out if I need it or not. It's been in there so long, I don't even know if I even use any of that stuff. And some of this is just some wipes and some different things, a tool belt. You guys know I don't use that. There's some extra stuff. I have another tool belt. So I mean, it's a lot of just random miscellaneous stuff that I probably don't even use that often. So some of this stuff is still in there, but I don't need it. My main stuff is all the stuff I always have in this tool tray, and you know, my heat gun and stuff like that. So I was pretty much able to get most of my stuff into this thing. I'm kind of surprised. Like I said, I could throw this in there, pop the top, throw this in there. I took out, you can see I took out all those little blue trays, and these trays come out too. So actually I don't need those trays in there. They come out. So I still have a lot of room here and a lot of room here. So what I'm thinking that I would do is this unhook here, and this whole tray can come out, and I could take this tray over to the driver's seat, or I could take that tray to the back seat of a car. I have everything in there, all my tint stuff. It'll actually all be right there. So, for example, let's test it out real quick. So I probably could just end up leaving this right on the front seat of the vehicle. I can see all my tools, and I can just work right here when I'm tinting the vehicle, and everything will be right here. You know, I have my rags, I have all the stuff that I need, I got my side window, I got everything sitting right there. So I probably could manage using this and just walking around from each side of the vehicle. That's kind of what I might end up trying. And then when you bring this back here, pretty much just set it right on top, slide it back, it locks in. Push these little tabs here, and it's in there. Close this, boom, boom, and it's all locked in together, ready to roll. So I might end up, like I said, this is kind of an experiment. This thing was like 79 bucks at Walmart. I'm just gonna give it a shot, see how it goes. It's something different. I got everything in here. This thing actually fits in my Impala when I just lay it down on its back. It fits in the Impala really well. I think everything will stay put. Like I said, I got my freaking heat gun in there, gallon of tint solution. I got my spray bottles in there and towels. So man, hey, I appreciate you guys for watching. I'm gonna try this little tint carrier setup. What do you call this? Tint stacker. I think they're calling these stackers. I'm gonna try this tool stacker setup. Try it out on the road, see how it works, see the things I like and see the things I don't like about it. I'm not too fond of totally giving up the tote tray thing right now, but we'll see how that goes. It's just a little bit crazy trying to carry the tote tray, but we'll see how it goes. Like I said, I want to test out new things and learn new things for myself, and I'm constantly learning because, like I always tell you guys, I like to go and do tint at different locations. It's kind of how my business has been set up. I'm not always here in my garage tinting. Sometimes I'm on the go, so doing mobile tint. So trying to find things that might work better. Instead of carrying in 3 different bags or something, maybe I can just have it all narrowed down to one. So if you like this content, give it a thumbs up. Leave this comment down below. Let me know how you carry your tint tools when you're out doing mobile or when you're out on the go. Let me know. Like I said, I'm gonna try this and see how it works. And if you like this content, give it a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, hit that bell so you not miss any notifications, and I'll be back when I get time with another video like we always do. Until then, stay faded and look out for the Wednesday night live streams. Peace.